No, I want to become a blockchain developer because that's the future. Is it? It's not. Principle 3, buy low, sell high. This is for penny stocks. What you have to do is get in early. But when I'm saying get in early, what I mean is do a tutorial, read a book, create a side project. And I'll give you one example, right? I went and did a hackathon in Svelte in Microsoft. Svelte is a good tech. But I didn't say, hey, I think Svelte is the future, so I'll abandon React, and tomorrow any company which is hiring for Svelte, I'll only go and work there. So I'm not jumping ships. You see, it's written there, don't just jump ship. Don't just jump ship. What you need to do is create a tutorial, do a side project, invest your 20% of time in that. Now, how to identify penny stocks? You have to do market research, okay? You have to do market research around it. And so what you have to do is you have to read about market trends, what's happening in tech industry. So I'll tell you this, these Instagram gurus, they are trying to sell you courses, okay? So they'll tell you things because they are not plugged into the industry. The problem is they are not working. That's the biggest issue. When you're not plugged into the industry, you will say anything. But there are people who are plugged into the industry, and there are surveys around it. And let me show you one, okay? So I prepared this. So this is a thought work survey, right? This is called Technology Radar. You can always go and read what kind of tools people are using, devs are using, techniques, platforms, languages, and frameworks, and you can see what's happening in any of these themes. So, taking some time. You see, so here, see, this is adopt React hooks, adopt React testing library, adopt Vue.js, and hold. This is 98, right? Enzyme, like it's gone out now, but hold on to it. This is a stock which can come back, maybe. Don't know. Assess, as in spend some time around it. Xstate, Wire, Tremor, I don't know what this is. So all of this, and then there is trial. So trial is, say, GraphQL Inspector, Karate, Nest.js, Sarama. So understand this. This is how you can see what kind of tool people are using, what frameworks people are using, and always have this adopt section in your kitty, try section in your 5-10%, and assess section. Okay, I know what it is, but I don't want to spend a lot of time around it. But if something is not here, maybe don't waste your time around it. Same way, you can see this, and let me show it to you. So here is blockchain. Blockchain in the real world. Can you see this? Let me increase, say this. Let's go to blockchain again. Blockchain in the real world. Okay, this is Stack Overflow survey, and this is done with people who are actually coding, not people who are selling courses on YouTube. I really feel bad about saying these things to people, but I think as a teacher, it's your responsibility, whoever is selling courses, to know what you are teaching. Just because there's a hype, don't start teaching it. Be true to yourself first, and we'll come back to that principle also. But you see, how are your organizations using blockchain technology? 80%, not at all. Nobody is using blockchain. Non-currency applications of blockchain. So the main application for blockchain was currency, but no, whoever is using is 12%. Cryptocurrency based product, only 4%. Accepting bitcoins, 2%. Your own cryptocurrency, 1%. Why do you want to be in a tech which is dying like this? Don't be in that. Understand this. So no, I want to become a blockchain developer because that's the future. Is it? It's not. Anyway, so coming back to this, I taught you how to do market research, and I'm telling you, follow people who are coding on Twitter, not the DevRels because they are paid for this, not the course makers because they are paid for this. People who are actually coding, who have skin in the game. Follow those people, go to these surveys, go to these radars, check yourself. Stop asking me, or keep asking me, but understand how my mind is working now, okay? So again, don't buy into short-term hype. Think what happened to blockchain. Again, golden rule. So the golden rule here is, and this is very important, do not invest more than 20% of your time in any case. This will minimize your loss if you make a bad judgment. Otherwise, if you get into something in tech for say 3 or 4 years, and then you realize this, it will be a problem. And you go and see this video which I have, Tanay, Pratap. UI versus AI, YouTube, I think. This was 4 weeks ago. There was something called in like 2 days ago or 99 hours ago. See this one. I am an AI engineer. I have been working in this field for 2 years, worked with 3 startups. But I agree with all your points. It's way too hard. The projects are shit for well-established companies. PhD is mandatory. I sometimes think of shifting myself. Still confused between PhD or shifting to development. Do you see how stuck you will be in your career if you don't make the right choices? Please don't do that. I have done that. I have come out of it with big trouble. So please don't do this. See this, okay? So that's why I'm saying, even if you are making a bad judgment, invest only 20% of your time, not the entire 100%. Don't be greedy. Golden rule: don't be greedy. Stop trying to be future proof. Whenever you try to, in stock market or in tech market, whenever you try to time and play the market, it never works. Okay. Also 20%. So don't put all your tech eggs in one basket. 20% here, 50% there, 30% there. So understand this rule. How to take calculated risk. This is covered now.